If you're looking to extract e-commerce sales trends using Browse AI, you're in the right place. This tool allows you to gather powerful insights from e-commerce websites, giving you the data you need to stay ahead of your competitors. In this video, I'll break down how to use Browse AI to easily track sales trends and uncover valuable market insights without any complicated processes. Before we dive in, don't forget you can try Browse AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses for you that will help you make the most out of the software. Stick around till the end and I'll reveal those bonuses. So, how does Browse AI work? Essentially, Browse AI is a web scraping tool designed to collect structured data from websites. In the context of e-commerce, it allows you to track things like product prices, availability, and sales trends, all of which are crucial for making informed business decisions. Whether you're an online store owner or a digital marketer, this tool can save you hours of manual work. First, you'll need to set up a robot in Browse AI. These robots are customized workflows that you set up to monitor specific e-commerce websites. You'll simply input the URL of the site you want to track, and the robot will be able to automatically extract information such as product prices, reviews, and most importantly, trends over time. Once your robot is set up, Browse AI allows you to schedule these extractions to run regularly. That means you can keep tabs on sales patterns without lifting a finger, getting updated data as frequently as you like, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. By tracking product pricing and inventory data across time, you'll quickly be able to spot any shifts in the market or emerging trends. To dig deeper into sales trends, Browse AI also allows you to export the data into various formats like CSV or Excel, making it easy to analyze and compare trends across multiple products or competitors. This feature is especially useful for spotting patterns in how products are priced, when sales spikes occur, or when inventory levels are unusually low. These insights can give you a huge advantage in adjusting your e-commerce strategy or optimizing your product listings. One of the best things about Browse AI is that you don't need to have coding experience. The interface is user-friendly, which means you can easily set up and run your robots without needing any technical knowledge. Even if you're new to the world of e-commerce data scraping, Browse AI makes it approachable and accessible. If you're wondering about the level of accuracy, Browse AI's smart scraping technology ensures you're getting clean, reliable data. Nothing is left to chance. Plus, it can handle a wide variety of websites, so you're not limited to a small set of e-commerce platforms. This makes it a versatile tool for anyone looking to get a comprehensive view of online sales trends. Now, why should you care about e-commerce sales trends? Simply put, understanding trends can lead to better decisions. With Browse AI, you'll get ahead of the curve by tracking shifts in consumer demand, competitor pricing, and stock availability. Whether you're adjusting your pricing strategy or preparing for upcoming promotions, having this data can be a game changer. Remember, Browse AI also offers an exclusive extended free trial when you sign up through the first link in the description. This is your chance to really dig into the software and see how it can transform your e-commerce data analysis. So, to recap, Browse AI is a straightforward but powerful tool for extracting e-commerce sales trends. By automating the data collection process, you can gain deep insights into your market, competitors, and pricing strategies. You don't need coding skills, and you can access this data regularly with minimal effort. Plus, with the free trial and exclusive bonuses, it's the perfect opportunity to give Browse AI a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial through the link below before it's gone.